Hi kids, how are you? Pick the odd one. Here are the pictures. We can pick the odd one out. Let's see. First one is done for you. Like, see, here is the three things are. These are the like. One is different. This one is odd one. Then pick out. Now this rule also apply on these. Look at these pictures. These three are alike. Now, which one is a odd one? Which one is? Now, tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Wow. Yes, great. This one is odd one. This one is odd one. Now we pick the out. This one is odd one. We pick the out. Next. Let's see. Next. These three are alike, and this one is a odd one. Now we can pick out from these pictures. Wow, you did well. Hmm, look at this. Wow, these are alike, and this one. Also odd one. Yes, you are right. This one is odd one. This one is odd one. Pick out. We pick out these all odds from the pictures. Pick the odd one out.